Hello guys, welcome back to my HTML tutorial. In the previous session we learned about HTML table. In this session we are going to learn about HTML list and especially about HTML order list. We have different type of list available in HTML, but in this session we are going to learn HTML list, which is ordered list. HTML list. HTML lists are used to specify list of information. All lists may contain one or more list element. There are three different type of HTML list. Ordered list, that is also called numbered list, unordered list, which is also called bulleted list. Third is description list, that is also called definition list. But in this tutorial we are going to focus on only ordered list. HTML ordered list or the numbers list. HTML ordered list or the numbered list displays element in numbered form. The HTML OL tag is used for defining ordered list. We can use ordered list to represent item either in numeric order format or alphabetical order format or any format where an order is emphasized. Based on your requirement, you can choose the type of the list. There can be different type of numbered list. Format of ordered list. Yeah, as you may see here, a ordered list can be a numeric number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 and goes on. Capital Roman number, a small Roman number, capital alphabets and small alphabets. These are the type of the ordered list which you can choose based on your requirement or as per your specification. Attributes. We have some attributes of ordered list. First is type. It will define which type of ordered list we want to use. Start. If we want to start any list item from the 5, then we will use start attribute. If we want to show the list of item in the reverse order, then we will use reverse attribute. This is the boolean attribute. It takes true or false. By default it is true. Let's understand this. The type attribute defines which type of order list should be displayed. Start attribute defines the starting point of the order list type. Reverse, it will display list in reverse order. Sorry, I made mistake. R should be D. Okay. That's it about the definition. Let's move to the code editor so that we can take in action. Yeah, I created order list.html document for this session. Let's save this document and run into the live server so that we can see the output without refreshing the page. We just need to save the document. Yeah, this document is completely blank. It has some value that I created earlier. So this is the basic template. Let's write some code so that we can see the difference and we can understand how to display the ordered list. As in the presentation mentioned, OL tag is used to display the ordered list. Now I am going to add few list items into this ordered list. Here I am going to add name of me and my friend. My name is Sakil, and now I'm going to add list of my friend name. Second is Sanu. Third, Rohit. Joshi and Abhishek. Abhishek. Now run this code to live server. And yeah, you may see here, this is the output of the list. By default, ordered list show the numbered and starting position from the 1. Abhishek is my best friend, but it's order at 5. Now he will say to me, why you added me at the last position. So but I want to show him at the first position. So we having one options, we can reverse this list. Let's close this window. Reversed. If I am reversing this list, then you may see here his ranking is 1. Now his ranking become 1. So based on the requirement, we can reverse the list also. Let's make some changes so that we can see the different type of list. I am removing reversed option and adding type attribute. As you may see here, first is numbered, second is the alphabet uppercase character, and the lowercase, this is the uppercase Roman character and the lowercase. So I am going to use alphabet uppercase. Okay, and if I will go to the browser, you may see here this list now changed. Earlier it was numbered, but now it is the alphabet, upper alphabets. If I will change to upper alphabet by lower, then the list will be changed. Similarly, if I am changing with Roman character, alphabet Roman character and a small I, it will lower Roman. Okay, now I can change the default starting point of the alphabet. I am saying start from the 5th index. Okay, as you may see here, it starting from the 5th index and it skipped the previous 4 index. If I will change I with 1, you may clearly see the difference. Yeah, it is starting from the 5th index and is skipping previous 4. Guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, then please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you not subscribed yet, and don't forget to share with your friend. Thank you for watching.